Hey everyone, Tara Tesher here. Have you seen my 16-piece item of the month? I wanted to show you why it is a spring and summertime essential. Welcome to my barbecue. I have used every piece, whether it be hot, whether it be cold, to show you all of the essentials that you're gonna need. Whether it's that mac and cheese that we have in the 2.5 quart baker, whether it's the lettuce and tomato and pickles and all the fixins that we put in our 3 quart oval, whether it's the 16 hot dogs and hamburgers that we have in this beautiful 4.5 quart square, or it's all the different condiments that we put inside our beautiful little ramekins, 8 ounces in total capacity. Barbecue sauce and ketchup and mustard. And then don't forget your mayonnaise-based salads, your potato salad and your pasta salad, and the things that you want to keep cold. Chill these bowls ahead of time, bring it out to the table, and everything will stay cold throughout the meal. 16 amazing pieces, a little over $6 a piece. And where can you find it? Head over to Temp-tations.com. This is a spring and summer essential and the perfect way to lay out every single barbecue and every meal in between. Head over to Temp-tations.com and check it out.